Welcome to Riboa Haima. This is the base camp in PDO Marmul. After surveying the new rig location, the team gathers to discuss the shifting of the rig. 24 hours before shifting the rig, the instructor prepares the GSA documents, and ensures that the toolbox and safety precautions are taken care. As the day begins, the truck firstly collects the hoses from the previous location. After the hoses are collected from the old location, the truck starts to lay down the hoses to the new location. This is the arrangement for the water pumping machine, which needs to be done. Each rig has 2 water pumps to provide water to the rig, which are connected to the mud tanks. Each pump can go up to 7.5 bar per minute, and can transfer 4.8 cubic meters of water per minute to the rig, so both pumps can supply up to 10 cubic meters of water per minute to the mud tanks. During the losses, the rig manager calls and notifies the water supervisor at the pit to increase the water supply. The water supervisor increases the supply, and once the pressure reaches up to 7.5 bars per minute, he informs back to the rig manager. This is our complete water management process. Now next is the waste cutting management process. The waste cuttings that are generated from the drill rig falls into the empty bin. After that, forklift will lift the filled waste cutting bin. And it will load one after the other onto the truck. Once truck is loaded, the truck then moves towards the dump yard. Before heading to the dump yard, the forklift will place another empty bin on the platform. This is the dump yard. Once the truck has arrived near to the pit area, the forklift offloads the waste cutting bin one after the other. After that, the forklift will use the hydraulic tilt. The operator manually deposits the waste cuttings into the pit. In addition, there are one supporting vacuum tanker that supports in suction of all the waste and water from the rig tank. This will avoid any kind of spillage at the site location, and also helps to avoid polluting the environment. The waste cutting bin can hold up to 1.7 tons of wastage that comes out from the drilling rig. The forklifter makes 15 trips in total to transport these wastes. Altogether, 25.5 tons of wastage is transported in this procedure. Next is the vacuum tanker. The vacuum tanker can hold up to 8,000 gallons of wastage from the drilling rig. The vacuum tanker makes up to 7 trips in total to transport these wastes. Altogether, 56,000 gallons of wastage is transported in this procedure. This is our complete waste cutting management process.